porch. Front porch coffee, that's all right. I've yet to really nail a song with coffee in it. I want to. I feel like there's so much there, but also coffee is so known and beloved and common, and it's got all it's all the I love you a latte and all that. It's tough. Cacao. Cold coffee. Cafe con leche. Now you're talking. Cold coffee in a warm bed. You know what I like? I like coffee in a warm tub. I like hot coffee in the hot tub. Is that too much to ask? Flicking that coffee bean. All right, now we're talking. Where is the key? A through G, please. Ooh, yes. Can I give you some of those? Yes. Oh. Anyone, A through G. Elderflower, you know what I like. D. All right, D. Oh yeah, I want some hot coffee in a hot tub. Lonely, 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 looking for a cure for lonely love. Sunflowers in a sunflowers in a pool skimmer. I'm feeling a little slimmer. I haven't eaten for a while, if you know what I mean. Talking about hot coffee in a hot tub. That's all I want to cure my lonely, 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 lonely love. Is that too much to ask? Hot piece of astronomical idea like this one. I'm just trying to get some hot coffee in a hot tub. Ain't trying to steal the scene. Just want some hot coffee in a hot tub. Hot coffee in a hot tub. See, it's like once I get into coffee and you start playing with coffee analogies and coffee puns and stuff, it gets a little cheesy. You know what I'm saying? Because where I was trying to get was like flicking that coffee bean. Like, what am I going to do with that, really? It's like, I can't really go very far with that. And then if I'm just singing about sexual healing, then not everybody has the same feeling, you know? And also, I'm all by myself, so I don't really want to get too oversexed thinking about hot tubs. Let's keep going. Rise and grind, rise and shine. Sunflowers, you're a friend of mine. I like how tall you grow. You can grow up to the sky, and when you die, you will leave us 1,000 seeds to sow. Clouds and visions, no intermission. I have waited long enough. Maybe a hot coffee and some hot tub will finally cure my lonely love. It's all coming together right now. I feel it. Nature wants love. Nature wants loving. Nature wants you and me to keep on hugging. Nature wants sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Nature wants love, nature wants love, nature wants love. I see many flower emojis running across my screen. Somebody has a new idea, but it's not new to me, it's an old song. But you can do no wrong. You can type whatever you want to, say whatever comes to you, and we will try to do our best to include it if we can. I see a sunflower soul growing up tall like a pole. I see beautiful people, I see beautiful names. They get rearranged by the speed of the scrolling. Maybe some of you are just trolling, but maybe there's a cowbell that I can hear in the background. Crusty coffee. Alright, where was our chorus? Nature wants love, nature wants loving, nature wants you and me to keep on hugging. Nature wants sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Nature wants love, nature wants love, nature wants love, yeah. Nature wants love, nature wants free Wi-Fi. I think someone said that. I don't blame you. Nature wants love, nature wants love, nature wants muffins. Say hi to my boyfriend Lenny. Hi to my boyfriend Lenny. Lenny, you are plenty. You don't need to be anything you don't need to be. Just be your boyfriend self. Hot tub and hot coffee, hot love, hot heart, hot heart, hot honey, hot home, hot hurry. Sometimes you gotta let the sounds take you away. It's okay if you don't know what to say, but you gotta keep on moving, keep the song playing. You gotta keep going, no matter if you're slowing down. You got to make your beautiful sound. Why? Because that's love, y'all. And nature wants love, nature wants loving. Nature wants you and me to bake some muffins. Nature wants sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Nature wants love, nature wants love, nature wants love. Now we're dancing in the moonlight. You and me, we're keeping our bodies tight. Why? Because we're living on emojis of broccoli. And somebody says, I love you, Jamie. We're hugging in the hot tub for free Wi-Fi. Don't game me and don't stop me. I was trying to get back to broccoli, but then I got about someone else's comment. And now we keep it going, yeah, we keep it going. Yes, we keep it flowing, we keep it long into the moonlight. What is it? Ooh, nature wants you, and nature wants me. Tonight, broccoli. Nature wants love, nature wants loving. Nature wants you and me to keep on hugging. Nature wants sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Nature wants love, nature wants love, nature wants love. Nature wants love, nature wants love, nature wants love. Hey, this is soothing.